If you look over my shoulder, that's the van that we've just bought, and I've just spent the last few days moving all that container garden over here. But we're not here to look at the van just yet. I will post a video on the caravan channel, and I'll take you a walk round the inside of it as well and show you what this van has got to offer that the other one didn't. But for now, we're going to do a double potato reveal. I've got 2 containers left, and I'm hoping that in one of those we're going to beat that 3.4 pound that we had. So what I'm going to do is take the potatoes round back of this van, empty them and get them weighed. And just for a quick look, that's the van that we've just bought. It also looks like I've adopted a new friend. That's his last 2 potato containers, and as you can see, they've completely died back and they're starting to grow nettles in there as well. So we'll just empty them out one at a time, give them away and see what we get. Not much need to cut the tops off of these. There's not a deal left of them, to be fair, so we'll just get right on with it. And fingers crossed we beat that 3.4 pounds. Well, there's definitely some potatoes in there, and there's quite a few around this side as well. So we'll take this top off and we'll get straight in. As always, never anything in the bottom. But I can see a few potatoes already. Once again, they're not big potatoes, but we don't really expect that, as long as we get a good few. So let's dig in again. Not a bad size really. That's the seed potato. We've got a few good sized ones there. And so far, it's not looking bad at all. You can't eat those potatoes. There's a few more. And a couple of very small ones. I don't think we've done too bad actually. But it's the weighing that'll tell us. Come out, they're not for you to play with. I think that's all for the first container. So we'll move this compost, weigh them, and then we'll empty the last one. I've just given those a quick rinse, and they don't look to be a bad amount in there, so let's get them weighed. We'll just pop them into this bag, and hopefully we can at least get close to his best. Got some nice little ones in here as well. They always go down a treat. So that's all those in. Just quickly tie it and we'll have a look at what we got. And that's them set to 0. So here we go. Not as good as I was hoping for. 2.13, but that's still a nice bag of potatoes. Let's do that second container as well. I've just pulled a bit of plant out and we've got a potato already, so it's a good start. There goes the last one. So let's take this top away. I'm actually not seeing anything at the moment, so this could be a bit of a disappointment. Well, we've got a couple. To be fair, that's a good size. And I think that is one of the biggest that we've had, and we've got a couple of decent sized ones. So leaving them a few extra weeks, they have come out a bit bigger. but have we got enough? I don't think there's a deal or anything left in this one, apart from a couple of small ones that I'm sure Asper will be more than happy to play with. Let's move some of this compost. And another really good sized one there. So, just clearing up. Yeah, play with this one. A couple more. And I think that might be it. I don't think we're going to beat 3.4 pounds, but let's get them weighed and see what it is. So there we go with the final weigh-in this season. Hopefully those bigger potatoes will make a difference. So we'll reset this back to 0. There we go. I think that might be one of the lowest that we've had. 1.89. Still not a disappointment, to be fair. That's quite a few potatoes out of 2 quite small containers. And they'll keep us going for a few weeks. So there we go. That's the last 2 potato reveals. We didn't beat that 3.4 pound, but we still came out with a really good sized bag of homegrown potatoes, and I'll take that all day. So if you're growing container potatoes, let me know your ice that you got from a small container. But once again, it proves for a small container and a little bit of compost, it's still well worth doing. And we'll have a look inside this new van over the next few days. For the minute, I'm a little bit busy, and I know a few people have asked me to make a video. It is definitely coming, and I'll be putting that on the caravan channel. So for now, we'll get those popped indoors in fridge. They'll keep for quite a while, and then we'll finish setting up this relocated container garden. If you want to see that video on the inside of this caravan and what else we'll be setting up out here, then please hit that subscribe button, press that notifications bell, and I'll see you next time.